Prof Gadzekpo is saying that she's the board chair of the CDD, and she's saying that she's advising President Akufo-Addo to reject the anti-LGBTQ plus bill that's in Parliament. A quick 1-minute bite on this one.
So the Parliament will have to work on it today,
yes,
and then it will have to go to the President for ascension. And that is what Professor, and what are her reasons for saying that?
Well, I mean, she says that the argue that the bill undermines fundamental human rights protected by the Constitution, including the rights to dignity, freedom of speech, association, procession, participation, and academic freedom, equality, and non-discrimination. All of these things, she says, are in the bill.
If the Parliament of Ghana decides that this bill should pass, it means that is the decision of the people of Ghana. I hope you understand that.
I do.
Because the Parliament of Ghana is made up of MPs who are coming from different constituencies who represent Ghanaians.
Yeah.
So I do not know how it will turn out. But assuming it turns out that the Parliament has passed it, I think it will be very unusual on President Akufo-Addo's side not to consent to it. And the reasons why she's giving for him not to do it, I don't get it. Look, I do not have a problem with somebody choosing to do whatever they want to do in their privacy of their bedrooms. That is none of my business. Yeah. But when you decide to bring that one in my face, and you are advocating that that should be taught in schools, for my 2 sons tomorrow to come and tell me that we want to be gay, that one, we all disagree. So, Madam Gadzekpo, please come back again. I mean, what do you mean? What do you mean by sitting on people's rights? My children have a right.
As well.
I do have a right to teach my children how I want, the natural order of things as I see it. So if you decide to do something in your bedroom and you are not caught, that is your cup of tea. Right. But we should have rules and regulations that protect all of us, our culture, and our children.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Quick bite on this one.
Well, I really don't know what she's talking about by saying that she's going to court, because per the information I picked up, they were given opportunity to come and meet Parliament to make their presentation, and all the issues they raised were part of the necessary thing they had to include in the bill. And so for her to say that she was going to court, I really don't know if court will not decide or determine our norms and values as a people. Parliament, as my co-panelist indicated, is a representative of the people. And whatever decisions they make, it's a true reflection of what is on the ground. And so an individual cannot come and say that because probably, I don't know why they are coming from that direction, but to say that we should throw our culture, our norms out there and practice gazing or some foreign culture. I think for us it's strange. And when you go out there and ask the ordinary Ghanaian, we all condemn the practice. If individuals are doing it in their...
I think her focus...
But to talk about the fact that we should teach these things in schools, we should allow people to express themselves in the public about it. I think it's something that as Ghanaians we frown on it. And well, I don't know if the court will be willing to listen to her, but that would not change our notion as far as this practice is concerned.
Prof, thank you. All right, so I want to say a big thank you to my guest this morning, Prof Yaira Fosu-Mensah. She's a member of the NDC Communications team, and also to Ellen Ama Daaku. She's an MPP National Communications team member as well. Ladies, thank you very much for coming this morning.
Our pleasure.
All right.